Today I'm showing you how to connect your mobile hotspot to your PC using USB tethering. Let's get started. Step 1. Connect your phone to your PC using a USB cable. Make sure the cable supports data transfer, not just charging. Step 2. Open Phone Settings. On your phone, open Settings. The exact wording may vary depending on your phone model. Step 3. Find tethering options. Look for Network and Internet or Connections. The name depends on your device. Tap on it. Step 4. Enable USB tethering. Search for Hotspot and Tethering and tap on it. Then scroll down until you find USB tethering and tap on it to enable it. The toggle will turn blue or green when activated. Step 5. Allow PC connection. A pop-up will appear on your PC asking if you want to allow your PC to be discoverable on the network. Click Yes if you're on a trusted network. Step 6. Verify connection. Your PC should now be connected to the internet through your mobile data. To verify, open a web browser and try loading a website. If it loads successfully, you're connected. Important note. Keep in mind that USB tethering uses your mobile data, so monitor your data usage to avoid exceeding your plan limits. And that's it! Your PC is now connected to the internet using your mobile hotspot via USB tethering.